Welcome all my friends. Today I start now here indirect speech of optative sentence. It's now our today's topic here. आजको हाम्रो टपिक के हो ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस को हामी इनडाइरेक्ट नरेशन कसरी बनाउने हाउ टू मेक नाउ द इनडाइरेक्ट नरेशन अफ ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस र त्योभन्दा पहिला हामीलाई के सिक्नु पर्यो भने फर्स्ट नाउ you all have to learn now what do you mean by optative sentence. Optative sentence भनेको के हो? Then after I'll take you now near now a structure. I show you a structure also. Then after some examples also here now. So step by step today I teach you step by step about now the indirect speech of optative sentence. So let's start now here. So first now definition. Optative sentence भनेको के हो? Optative sentence means now expression of now wishing, desire, blessing and cursing. It is said now here optative sentence. Optative sentence हामी कसलाई भन्छौं? म यहाँ पनि लेख्दै छु हेर expressing of wishing, desire, blessing and cursing for someone or something. It is said now optative sentence. यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं? ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस भन्छौं. के भन्छौं? ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. अब हामी स्ट्रक्चर आउने और सेकेन्ड स्टेप न स्ट्रक्चर. अब स्ट्रक्चर मा के हो भने फर्स्ट मा मे प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस verb plus object and dot last now exclamation sign now. It is now exclamation sign. What is it now? Exclamation sign. We use now at last now exclamation sign for optative sentence. But now our optative sentence always starts with may. हाम्रो ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस प्राय के बाट सुरु हुन्छ? मे भरबाट. के बाट? मे भरबाट. र लास्ट मा हामी के हेर्छौं? एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन. ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस अरु मोडल भर्बबाट सुरु हुँदैन. प्राय हामी के बाट सुरु गर्छौं? मे बाट. क्यान, कुड, विल, वुड, शुड बाट हामी सुरु गर्न सक्दैनौं. त हाम्रो ऑप्टेटिभ सेन्टेन्स के बाट सुरु हुन्छ? मे बाट. यो हामी चिन्ने हो. नाउ कम टु सम एक्जाम्पल्स नाउ. मे यू go to the hell. May you go to the hell. God bless you. It is also now optative sentence. Long live our king. It is also optative sentence. So these are examples of optative sentence. अब यहाँ सुन्ने, यहाँ त मे त छैन. यहाँ छ मे सुरुमा, यहाँ मे छ सुरुमा छैन. तर यहाँ पनि हामी के छ त मे छ. यो हामी बुझ्ने. किनकि इम्परेटिभ सेन्टेन्स को सुरुको सब्जेक्टमा चाहिँ हामी के हेर्छौं? यु. तर यु लेखिएको हुँदैन. तर हामी के बुझ्ने? त्यहाँ यु छ सब्जेक्ट. कुन सेन्टेन्समा? इम्परेटिभ सेन्टेन्समा. त्यस्तै यहाँ चाहिँ मे लेखिएको हुँदैन. यहाँ पनि मे छैन. तर बुझ्ने यहाँ चाहिँ के छ? मे छ. त्यसैले यहाँ चाहिँ के हो त? V1 हो. के हो? V1. So they are said now examples of optative sentence. अब हामी सुरु गर्ने how to make now indirect narration of optative sentence. So now here key points. All you have to remember now these key points now for making now indirect narration of optative sentence. So first number said to said to must be changed into wished, wished, blessed, cursed, prayed, and hoped. So, said to must be changed into wished, blessed, cursed, prayed, and hoped here now. Next now here, that must be used to connect the RV and the RS together while making the indirect speech of optative sentence. Next now, the flowing structure subject plus might plus V1 dot full stop. यहाँ सुन्ने सबैले यो तीनटा चाहिँ के हो त की पोइन्ट्स हो के हो की पोइन्ट्स हो यो की पोइन्ट्स हामीलाई याद गर्नुपर्छ त के बनाउनको लागि इनडाइरेक्ट नरेसन अफ ऑप्टेटिव सेन्टेन्स यो तीनटा पोइन्ट जबसम्म हामीमा हुँदैन भने हामी याद गर्न सक्दैन भने नाउ इट इज नट पसिबल हियर नाउ वी कान्ट लर्न नाउ हाउ टु मेक इनडाइरेक्ट नरेसन अफ ऑप्टेटिव सेन्टेन्स अब तिमीहरूलाई म सिकाउँछु स्टेप बाइ स्टेप Okay, first sentence. Ram said to me, may you go to the hell. Okay. Now, come to now here. All of you listen. Ram said to me, may you go to the hell. Now here said to, what is now? Said to, or here now may, because it is now optative sentence. You'll see now here exclamation sign, or your optative sentence has been started with now may verb. According to this sentence, you have to change now said into now wished, blessed, cursed, and now blessed. तर यो सेन्टेन्समा अहिले हामी सेटुलाई केमा चेन्ज गर्ने कर्समा केमा हेल भनेको हुन्छ नर्क हुन्छ के हुन्छ नरक नर्क अब हामी यहाँ के लेख्ने राम 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 cursed me now that because that is our connector now here yes with the help of that now we can connect RB and RS together that now you means now second person all of you remember now all you know you means now second person so second person must be changed according to now the object of now RB or there now me is now objective case so objective case must be changed into now subjective case then we have I now here so instead of you I अब यहाँ हामी के लेख्ने I लेख्ने के लेख्ने I लेख्ने अब यो मे भर्ब हामी केमा चेन्ज गर्ने might मा I might go to the hell full stop यो इनडाइरेक्ट नरेसन जुन हामी बनाउँछौँ नि अप्टेटिभ सेन्टेन्सको लास्टमा हामी चाहिँ एक्सक्लामेसन चिन्ह हामी नदिने, हामीलाई चाहिँ लास्टमा के हाल्नु पर्छ, फुल स्टप। नेक्स्ट इक्जाम्पल, माई फादर said, my father said to her, God bless you. So is it assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamative sentence, or optative sentence now? It is optative sentence now. So according to the meaning of now res, you have to change now said to into now wished. यो अहिले हामी सेड टु लाई केमा चेन्ज गर्ने, विश्ड मा चेन्ज गर्ने, केमा, विश्ड मा। माई फादर सेड टु बिकम्स नाउ हियर विश्ड हर दैट, देन God, you have to use now last step here now under the key points now, last number, subject plus might plus v1, subject plus might plus v1. So God means now subject, so you have to write now here might bless, and you means now second person, but now it is object now, so second person must be changed according to her. Her means also objective case, or that is also now objective case. So instead of you, what you have to write now, her. Okay, next example, may you pass the SEE. May you pass the SEE. My grandfather said to me. Okay, come to now the question number 3 now here. In question number 3 now, here is now RV last now, and RES means now at first now. So always now while we make now indirect narration of any sentence, your RV must be written at the first year. हो, हामी RV लाई कहाँ लेख्ने, सुरुमा। my grandfather blessed, my grandfather blessed me. Now that you must be changed according to me, because you means now second person, or me means now objective case. So objective case must be changed into now subjective case. So after changing now, then we can write now here I instead of you. I then might pass the SEE. SE means now school or secondary education examination is the full form of SEE. Okay, now come to here some examples now. She said to me, best of luck. She said to me, best of luck. So it is now wishing now here. Someone wishes me. So said to must be changed into wished. She wished me. Now you can write now direct now best of luck. Best of luck now here. Best of luck. Okay, I'll show you now another one example. I said to my parents, happy anniversary day. Happy anniversary day. I said to my parents, happy anniversary day. So now here said to must be changed into now wish now. It is also now wishing now here. Wishing. So I wished my parents happy anniversary day. Direct. Okay, last one example. People said to me, long live our king. Long live our king. So it is also now wishing. Said to must be changed into now wished. People wished me. People wished me. Now here you have to use now that now. Yes, but before the sentence now, yes, I didn't now use there now that. Okay, but now I have to use now here that it is now subject. Our must be changed according to people now. Our means now first person plural number, but it is now in possessive case. Oh, our के हो possessive case में. अब यहाँ हामी के लेख्ने? Our को ठाउँमा हामी के लेख्ने? They लेख्ने. के लेख्ने? They or their. Their 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 king might live long. मैले यहाँ आवरलाई मैले केमा चेन्ज गरेको डियरमा, तर यो आवरलाई सबभन्दा पहिला हामी कहाँ चेन्ज गर्ने? पिपल को प्रोनाउन के हुन्छ? दे हुन्छ नि. के हुन्छ? दे. अब दे को पोसेसिभ केसमा गएपछि के हुन्छ? दिए पनि हुन्छ र दियस पनि हुन्छ. यदि यहाँ आवर्स हुँदा त दियस हुन्थ्यो. के हुन्थ्यो? दियस. तर यहाँ आवर भएकोले मैले के लेखे त? डियर लेखे. त आजको यो टपिकमा, आजको यो लेसनमा हामीले के सिकेको त? हाउ टु मेक नाउ इनडाइरेक्ट नरेसन अफ अपरेटिभ सेन्टेन्स. सो इट्स नाउ भेरी हेल्पफुल फर all of you now here. Thank you.